Hello kids, my name is Anna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry for my absence, but I'm done with my exams and I think I'll be a little bit more online here as well. Although no promises, because I just lose interest very quickly for some reason. So yeah, but I'll still be here. I'll still make videos whenever I have the mood to and the time to, and not play video games all day. So today we're gonna be talking about manifestation and to give you more information, the 369 method for manifestation. Now, manifestation is, for the people who don't know, is wishing for something and then this thing coming reality by manifestation. So there are loads of methods for this, and since I am a shifting channel, I decided to talk about this method, but how to manifest shifting while doing this method. So I think that is way more helpful for everyone that is watching me, because obviously you guys are here for shifting, and obviously if you want to manifest anything not about shifting and about real life, you could just switch things a little bit and not talk about shifting. Just, you're gonna see I'm gonna give a little bit more examples as well, not only based on shifting while practicing this. So now these numbers obviously have a meaning, if not they would have not been here. So I'm gonna say the fact that the number 3 means creation, the number 6 is all the things coming together as they should, so harmony, and the 9 is the ending, so all the things are good, and obviously here they have ended and it's all for the best. So according to Nikola Tesla, these 3, 6, and 9 numbers are very important numbers, and as he said, if you only knew the importance of these numbers, then you would have the key to the universe. So a circle contains 360, right? Degrees, and degrees? Is that even how it's called? I don't know. And no matter how much, how you will divide the circle, it'll always end with the numbers 3, 6, or 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9, and 3 plus 6 plus 9 equals 18. So now this method is used to manifest any things that you want. Also, remember to be realistic with the things that you're manifesting. So don't like manifest for, I don't know, dinosaurs to appear. Like, that is not going to be that realistic, so I don't know how much it will actually happen. So our goal today is I have to make you learn how to manifest shifting, and so you gotta shift, because you really need to shift, bestie. So all you need for this method is a pen and a notepad or a piece of paper. So you can obviously have your journal, your diary, I don't know, and even your script. So where you have written your script, you can obviously write it there as well. Like, there's not a rule, it just needs to be paper. I think you can also have your phone. I don't think this is how it all, I don't want to give any false information, so no phone here, only paper, because I don't want to say wrong information here. So I have some rules, obviously. So before starting this method, you need to be in a positive and relaxed mood. You gotta be, let's say, happy, a little bit. Like, you don't need to be angry about anything. You just gotta be happy while doing this, because if not, it's not going to be that good. So you gotta be focused and away from any distractions while doing this. And I need you to be happy while doing that. So just positive mindset, okay? So even though you are going to get frustrated and impatient, trust the process, because that's the most important thing in manifestation. If you give off negative feelings, then you know, you're telling the universe that manifestation doesn't really work, so it won't really work for you. So the key here is to remain positive as much as you can, and you gotta believe, like shifting. So it's exactly like shifting. You gotta believe in something, so it's going to happen. So this method is actually like two sides of it. Like you can choose which one you like the most. I will go for both methods. So the method one sounds like this. The first question that you gotta ask yourself is, what do we want from the universe? It can be shifting, it can be your crush liking you back, it can be getting a job, it can be getting to university, you know, stuff like that. So in our case here, because we're talking about shifting, is holding our thought about it. So you are going to hold this thought for 17 seconds. Because 7 minus 1 equals 6. And as I said, 6 is, you know, that good old number. Also because we hold a thought for 17 seconds, our brain starts to create more and more energy. So I want you to think about shifting for 17 seconds or longer. So just think about shifting for those seconds. You can think about anything, as I said. But as we're talking about shifting, you're gonna think about shifting. If not, just think about your crush liking you back, obviously. So write down the sentence 3 times in the morning. As you're writing that, I feel like the best one is when you are waking up, as you're still in that sleepy, let's call it, mood. So write it right when you have woken up. For writing that as well, try thinking about that, getting into that spot. So shifting, it's just visualize a little bit, not trying any methods. You're just gonna write those 3 sentences, the same sentences, by the way. So I will have a little bit of a picture there pop up on the screen so you actually understand what I'm trying to say here. So you're gonna write those and get into that motivation of actually manifesting and thinking about shifting, so it's actually going to happen. Write it down again in the afternoon, but this time 6 times. Imagine it, feel it, and simply let go. So you're gonna write again, shifting, I'm shifting, blah blah, stuff like that, whatever you want to, depending on each person. You can write different.
So I am going to put the images at the end of this first method, so you guys actually know how I'm actually doing it and what I'm talking about.
Before you go to sleep, write it once again, but this time 9 times. Continue so on more days. It can be from 28 to 33 or 45 until you actually made it. Express gratitude to the universe in your sentences or in your thoughts. So I am grateful that I am in my DR, in my desired reality or waiting room, anything that you want to, and you are going to write that sentence more times, 3, 6, and then 9 times, or obviously say it in your mind 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and before going to bed 9 times. So that is the first method that you are going to use.
So now here you go. This is how you should write it. You're gonna go with I'm so grateful and then write it how I said it.
The second one is write your focus 3 times. Our focus here is obviously shifting, so we're gonna write I'm shifting or whatever you want to say it 3 times. Write the intention of your focus 6 times, and the third time is write the outcome that you're expecting to happen 9 times. So I had fun in my DR, blah blah blah, stuff like that. Or it can actually be I am in my DR, you know, stuff like that. And do this every day again, more times till it actually happens, from 28 days to how many days you want to. Don't expect this to actually be a very easy thing to do. It won't happen as easily as you actually think it will. So one more thing that I'm gonna say, and this are again extremely important steps, are be extremely clear of what you actually want. So I want to shift to my DR, I will, just normal affirmations that you will say. Let's say, we can go for that. Trust the process, express gratitude to the universe, and write it as if you already have your outcome. Clear your resistance. It's normal to be mad that you did not do it and that thing did not happen, but you gotta be relaxed and let it go. Get yourself in a positive state of mind before actually manifesting. Pre-thoughts bring great energy and positive things. So this was the 369 method.
You gotta write out that DR, 3 times, and after that you're gonna write it 6 times, but this time you're gonna say I am shifting to my DR and all that stuff. And when you gotta write it 9 times, you're going to say I am in my again. If not, you can write the fact that I had loads of fun in there, like stuff like that. Just things that you wish would have happened when you have actually shifted. So that's what you are going to do. If you want to write something about your crush liking you back, then you're gonna start writing crush 3 times. Then my crush will like me, and after that me and my crush are together, stuff like that. Or if you want to have friends, stuff like that. Or all that stuff that I'm saying right now, it's the same thing. You just gotta go into your own way. You can ask me in the comments as well if you want to write something and you don't know how to write it. I will just respond to your questions.
For manifestation, I will put a photo of how you can do that with shifting. And obviously, if you want to get a job, if you want a new crush like you, if you want better grades, I'm talking to you, Christina, here. Just write that. Just do that and go for it. So that's all I have for today. I'm extremely sorry for all my inactivity, and I'm glad to be back. I won't be here for too long because, yeah. So I will see y'all in my next video. Good luck manifesting and shifting. Be positive, because, you gotta be sometimes, even though it's horrible. But I will see y'all in my next video. Goodbye, guys. I love y'all. 222 for a little bit of good luck.